on with it. But how did you die?
Chicken banana, chicken banana, chicken banana, banana, banana.
2, 1, go.
I'm going to heaven.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. What's that noise? It's a little polar bear! Oh, you're so cute. Come here. Let me pet you.
Oh, qué buen día. Amigo, ¿dónde está el baño?
Ahí está.
Alright, let's see.
Hey. A grenade!
Bro, even this crowbar. Okay, you know what? I'll just take the stick back. Give me the stick.
Here you go.
But no! Don't be scared.
Make sure you guys didn't steal anything. No
Really?
shoplifters here.
Billy, I told you not to steal anything! What?
I bet you can.
Yeah. You wanna go see it? Okay, let's go, Billy. There's your pet chicken. Go give him the treat. Yeah, go give him the treat.
Chicken!
What? Billy, what are you doing up there? That's dangerous.
Yummy.
3, 2, 1, shoot! Shoot! Billy! Billy! It's a dynamite! What do we do? Billy!
Oh, still your fist. Hey! No! Yo, take it back. Take it back, bro. I'm sorry. Hey, man, take care, man. Hell nah. The cop's right there, man. Damn! Oh my god!
Nah, we're beating his ass for sure.
Oh my god, a fish!
Yo,
What do
what's
you
up,
want?
my dude? Hey, don't be startled, my man. It's all cool in the ocean. I'm just a fish too, man. But what I'm trying to get at is that there's this guy earlier that caught a fish and took it from me. I had to kill the guy. But what I'm trying to get to is here is, can you put that back? Because I'm kind of starving here, and you got this.
Yeah, you can have it.
Gee, thanks, man. See, you get it, man. I didn't have to kill you. You know, you can just understand the motion of the ocean.
Yo, Fresh, I bet you cannot jump over this in one clear jump.
Bet.
What do you guys think?
Yeah, you won't. You should do it. Yeah, you won't. Yeah, you won't. Boy, you suck.
You can't do it, bro.
Please.
You gotta do it. Come on.
Big fat. You shouldn't do it, bro. You're gonna miss.
Alright, drop right him on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Screw get scared. Screw get scared.
Three, 2, 1, go.
What's up, dweeb? Yeah, fight me, dweeb. Yeah, good job.
Chill, bro. I got you. I got you.
Get him! Please, bro, no, please, bro, please! Please, bro, no, bro, please! Please! No, why'd you do that? I want the drugs! Where's the drugs? Where's the
My dog's so stupid, bro. He can fall for anything.
Whoa.
Like, you throw this bone, go fetch.
Yeah, what do you want?
This is my lake.
What do you mean this is your lake? This is a frozen lake.
No, I own this lake.
You own a frozen lake? Crocodiles can't swim in a frozen lake.
Not on my lake.
This is not your lake.
Let's go! I'm going to heaven! Hey!
Come here, buddy. You stole my ammo company coins? No, no, no! You stole my ammo company coins? Come here, buddy. No. Who you get?
Why you kill him?
I did not kill him. No. No. Not the big boo. No. Bro, you know what?
Niggle. Niggle. I hate niggle.
It's Stinny Club, it's 30 Club, Mag. I'll tweet you in my channel, make me cry.
Wait! Let me hit my dance real quick. I'm hitting the wall.
I'm gonna kill you.
No!
Yup, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
Why you kill him? He did! Don't let me go! Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game. Hey, bro. Turn around.
Yeah?
Hey, look down. Man. What's there? What's there? Damn.
Alright guys, I took you to the best zoo in LA. Of course we got here the venomous blue frog. What do you guys think?
He's ugly as hell. You're arguing with this guy. Wait, actually, I'm gonna go pet him. Careful, he might bite.
Oh, you good, bro? You good?
Shit, I don't know. Ow. Wait, everyone be quiet. You heard that? Hold on, what was that noise?
What?
Did you guys hear that? I don't know. It must have been the wind. Let's just check out this blue frog. And where'd he go?
Oh god, yo,
What
is he out of his mind right now?
Where'd the blue frog go?
Very mad at Steel, like.
What?
Yeah, I'd say with you.
I think I found him, guys.
What do you mean?
What the hell?
Let's go. Wait, there's nothing in here? No, give that back, bro! Give that back! Yo! What are you doing? Bro!
3, 2, 1.
Skip. Ouch.
Wait! Let me hit my dance real quick.
I'm hitting the bottle. I'm hitting the well.
I'm Coyote Peterson, and I'm about to enter the sting zone with the Tarantula Hawk.
Let's go for it.
1, 2, here we go. 3.
Yo, bro, are you lost? You lost, bro? You lost? Bro, you lost? What? Can you talk? Bro.
Okay, so babies, stay right here, and I going over there. I'll be back in 1 minute. Let me see your toes. Can I see it? ¡De la puta madre! ¿Qué se están haciendo? ¡Eres pinche pendejo! What are you doing? You grounded!
You know I gotta watch my calories, girl.
Fatty Rick, fat.
The weather's pretty nice and the water's pretty warm. Let's jump in. The water is pretty warm. 3, 2, 1, and scammer gets scammed. Don't ever try to scam again.
Boy, you better turn that shit up right now, boy. I'm gonna crawl back there and beat the fuck I say, boy. I'm gonna crawl. Boy, turn that shit.